am Dr. Lajja Goyal, Professor and Head, Department of Obstetrics and Gynae, AIIMS Bathinda. So I had come to the Mapicon today to deliver a talk on the elimination of cervical cancer with screening and HPV vaccine. So cervical cancer, we know that in India every day we are losing 200 women with the cervical cancer, and every 7 minutes one woman is dying. So the importance of this cancer is that this cancer is fully preventable and it is caused by a virus which can be attacked at multiple sites. Like preventing with the vaccine, we should vaccinate all the young girls who are less than 15 years, but vaccine can be given up to the age of 26 years also. Those who are not sexually active, it will be effective to those women. And then we have to, but we are having more of the population who is infected with the virus, and the virus is persistent and can lead to precancerous lesion and cancer. And it takes around 10 years from the infection of HPV virus to develop into a precancerous lesion, and from precancerous lesion to develop into cancer, it will take another 10 years. So we have approximately 10 years to 20 years period to prevent and pick up this cancer and precancerous lesion to treat these women. So we have so many tests available, but women are not availing those tests. Those tests are available in almost every hospital in the city, which are Pap test and acetic acid test and HPV DNA test. Although HPV DNA test is costly, but Pap test is not that costly, and VIA test will cost nothing, and it is just we have to apply an acetic acid and we can see the precancerous or cancer lesion, and at the same sitting we can treat the patient. And if the disease is at precancerous stage, we don't need to remove the uterus, we can just ablate the lesion with various modalities we have. Those includes leave procedures, cryocautery and ablative therapy with the thermal ablation. And unfortunately, if any patient who is having cancer that in early stage, we can treat with the Bardheim's hysterectomy, that is extended hysterectomy, that is a surgical procedure, but it is a fully curable if it is in the early stage. In the later stage, we don't have surgical treatment available, and we have to treat with the radiotherapy and palliative treatment only. So we urge all the ladies to undergo Pap smear who are more than 30-year-old, and those who are less than 30-year-old, they can be coming to the hospital for acetic acid examination and Pap cytology also, and test should be done every 3 years. It does not cost any much, and VIA test will not cost anything. So it is a very cheap test, it doesn't cause any pain, it is an OPD procedure, will not require any anesthesia, will not require any admission. So I urge everybody that all the women whom you know are married and sexually active should undergo screening test, so that we can eliminate the cervical cancer if all of us get together. And all the young girls less than 15 years should be vaccinated with the 2 dose, and vaccine should be given at 0 dose and after 6 months 2 doses. So 2 doses are only required, and now Government of India has launched the vaccine, and this vaccine will be available from December 2022, and maybe this vaccine is incorporated in the national immunization schedule. So we must tell everybody and promote this vaccine so that we can eliminate the cervical cancer.